Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off your speaker permissions on your Windows 10 device for any particular speaker you have connected to your system. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the system tile. On the left side, you want to select sound underneath system. And then on the right side, you want to select where it says manage sound devices versus output devices. Go ahead and select the output device you want to disable and then select disable there. And then it should say disabled, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.